Hi friend, welcome back to another video. So today here I am in Guwahati, one of the most beautiful place in Guwahati. Today is Sunday and we come to enjoy the Sunday in a peaceful place in Guwahati. So you can see this my background, but in front of me is more beautiful than the background. This is only 2 kilometers from Jalukbari. And here we are in North Guwahati, the north bank of Brahmaputra, and a very peaceful, beautiful place here in Guwahati. If you come to visit Guwahati, please visit this place. Very peaceful place. You can enjoy the nature and beauty of nature here in Guwahati. Very beautiful place. Peaceful place and greenery. You can see this greenery and the peaceful nature, beautiful nature. So if you visit Guwahati, please once visit this place too. Very beautiful and peaceful place here in North Guwahati. Today I am came with my friends to enjoy the Sunday. I chose this place because very peaceful and very beautiful place.